Hello, in this video I want to show you how to download Firefox browser on Realme C33. And to do this, first we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here, try to find the Firefox. Click on this app and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch this app. Here you can customize it, so choose the different theme, pick your toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization. You can always switch the privacy settings and read the privacy notice. Finally, let's click on start browsing, and from here we can open any website. As you can see, the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.